Hi guys, in this video we're gonna answer a question about static modifier in Java. So the question is, can you overload and override static method? The answer is static method can be overloaded but cannot be overridden. So again, static method can be overloaded but cannot be overridden. Okay, so let's see that in the example. So first of all, we need to write a static method. So this is a static method, right? So we're gonna overload this method. So overloading means creating a method using the same name but with a different parameter. So we have the same name and we also have the same parameter. But in method overloading, the parameter type has to be different. So let's do that. So now the parameter is different, right? The name is same, but the parameter is different. So we can see that static method can be overloaded, right? We already did that in this example. Okay, so the next point was but cannot be overridden. Static method cannot be overridden. So let's see that as well. So method overriding concept always comes with inheritance concept. We cannot achieve method overriding without inheritance. Okay, so the definition of method overriding is if the child class has the same method signature as declared in the parent class. Okay, so then it's called method overriding. So what is method signature? So method signature is the method name and the parameter type. Okay, so this is the method signature. So if child class has the same method signature as declared in the parent class, then it's called method overriding. So let's do that. So this is a parent class, so I already created another class called orange, and which is extending the apple class. Okay, so let's let's copy this method and then paste it in here. Let's add a message in here. Okay, so the point is static method cannot be overridden, right? And we already override this, but we don't see any error. You see, there is no error, right? So the point is when we override a static method, we don't get any error, any compile time error or any runtime error. Simply, this method won't be overridden. Okay, so let's try to execute that. So we have our main method in here. Let's create an object for apple class. Now we're gonna call this m1 method. Okay, Okay, now if I run this method, we should get the output this is parent class. Okay, because we created the object for Apple class. Okay, so that's why we should get the output this is parent class. Okay, so let's run this. Yeah, the output is this is parent class. Okay, so now let's create an object for orange class. And by using this reference variable, I'm going to call the m1 method. So now we should get the output this is child class. Okay, so let's run the program again. Yes, the output is this is child class. So now how we gonna know that this method is overridden or not? So for that purpose we have to create an object by using the reference of the parent class like this. Okay, so the type would be the parent class type, and the object would be the child class object. Okay, so now if we get this output again, it means the method is overridden. But if we get the output this is parent class, then it means the method is not overridden. Okay, so let's see the output. As you can see, we got the output this is parent class. So it means the method is not overridden. So look at here. We created the object of orange class, right? Not the apple class. This is the object of orange class. And we are calling them one method. So we should get this method, right? Executed. So the output should be this is child class, right? But we are getting output this is parent class. The reason is the method is not overridden. Okay, so that was our point. The static method cannot be overridden, but we don't get any compile time error or any runtime exception. You see, there is no error or any kind of exception. Okay, so the conclusion is static method can be overloaded but cannot be overridden. Okay, so I hope you guys understand the concept, but if you have any concern or question, please ask me in the comment section. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.